Hello students, welcome to Rajni classes. Today we are going to continue our Unit 3 playing with numbers, exercise 3.2 part 2. In part 1 we have already completed question 1 and 2 and today we start with our question number 3. Okay, let's start with it. The number 13 and 31 are prime numbers. We already study about prime numbers and make a grade of prime numbers too. Okay. Both these numbers have same digit 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. 100 तक आपको वो प्राइम नंबर्स बनाने हैं जिनमें वही सेम डिजिट्स हों. ठीक है, तो आंसर इज या यू कैन से सॉल्यूशन इज 10 तक सिंगल डिजिट होता है तो वो रिपीट नहीं हो सकता. वी विल स्टार्ट विद 11. 11 इज अ प्राइम नंबर बट अगेन 11 इज विद 11. So no choice for that. After that 12, 13 is there. No, 14 is not a prime number. 15 is not a prime number. 16 is not a prime number. Then 17. 17 and 71. Both are prime numbers. One pair is 17 and 17. We have to make pairs of prime numbers. First one is 17 and 71. After that, move on. You will find out 37 and 73. Okay, just continue with it. Continue with it. So we will get 79 and 97. So these three are the pairs of prime number which belongs to the same digit. Okay, beta. So this is your answer. 17 and 71, 37 and 73, 79 and 97. Okay, now come to the next question. Write down separately the prime and composite number less than 20. Okay, आपको सभी prime and composite numbers लिखने हैं जो कि less than 20 है. Okay, तो prime numbers and second one is composite. Okay, the after solution. Start with the prime numbers. 1 is not a prime number, then 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 4 is not a prime number, so we will write it in composite number. Then 5 is again a prime number. 6 is a composite number, 7 again prime number, and 8 is composite, 9 composite, 10 composite, 11 prime, 12 composite, 13 prime, 14 composite, 15 again composite, 16 composite, 17 prime, 18 composite, 19 prime, and 20 composite. And this completes your answer. Okay, beta. Now let's come to our next question, that is question number 5. Yes, question number 5, beta. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? So between 1 and 10, which one is the greatest prime number? Just tell me. Greatest prime number. Just think about that. Between. This is the sign for between. Okay, between 1 and 10 is 7, because 10 is not a prime number, 9 is again not a prime number, 8 is not a prime number. Then the greatest prime number between 1 and 10 is 7. Next question. Express the following as the sum of two odd primes. We have to express these numbers as the sum of two odd primes. Okay, odd primes means we can't take 2. Okay, clear? 2 को हम नहीं ले सकते because that is the only even prime number. Okay, beta? So 44, that is 41 plus 3. 41 is a prime number as well as 3 is also a prime number, and we can write it as 41 plus 3. Same as with 36. So we can take 29 and 7. Both are prime numbers and we can write it as the sum because 29 plus 7 is 36. Next is 24. That is, we can take 17 plus how much we need to add? 7 again. These are again prime numbers. Now next one is 18. We can write it as 11 plus 7, but in all these we are taking 7. So just think about another one, that is, you can take 17, but 1 is not a prime number. You can take another one, that is 5 plus 13. Okay? And it complete your question number 6. Now come on to question number 7. Yes, question number 7. Give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. So we have to take pairs having difference 2. 3, 5, 11, 13, 17, 19. All these pairs have difference 2. And one more thing, beta, I will tell you with the star, that the numbers which are the prime number having difference between them is 2 are called twin primes. The prime numbers or we can say pair of prime numbers having difference between them 2 are called twin primes. Okay? These are called twin primes. Next question. Which of the following numbers are prime? You have to tell out of these 4 which are prime numbers. 23, yes, it's a prime number. Yes, it is a prime number. The next one is 51. 51 is 13 sevens is 51, means there are 2 more factors that are 13 and 7. So it's not a prime number. No, it is not a prime number. Next, 37. Yes, there are only 2 factors of 37, that are 1 and 37. So it's a prime number. Yes, it is a prime number. And last one, 26. Beta 26 we can divide it by 2 also. So 1 and 26, there is one another factor which is 2. That's why it's not a prime number, it is a composite number. So write no, it is not a prime number. And this completes our question number 8. And now come to our question number 9. Question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. As we make the grid of prime numbers in previous video, so we know that the prime numbers and composite numbers very well. So we know that 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96 are the consecutive prime composite numbers. Okay, there is no prime number between them. That means that is your answer. Now next question. Express each of the following as the sum of 3 odd primes. 7 plus 11. That makes it 23. Okay. Now for next one, 31, we can take 3 plus 5 plus 27. No. 23. Yes, 23. 3 plus 5 and 23 are the pair of odd prime numbers. And next one is 53. You can do it yourself, I think. Or I can give an example also. That is 13 plus 17 plus 23. Just add it. 7 plus 3, 10 or 13. 1 carry, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it makes 53. 13 plus 17 plus 23. And next one is, you can take 7 plus 13 plus 41. 7, 3, 10, yes, it makes. Okay, you can take some other example. Just do practice of it. Okay, now this completes our question number 10. And now we will come to question number 11. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20. I was sorry. Whose sum is divisible by 10. ओके, जैसे एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं हम. आपके क्वेश्चन में भी दिया हुआ है 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. ये एग्जांपल लेते हैं. ठीक है, मतलब 5 से डिविजिबल होने चाहिए आपको ऐसे दो प्राइम नंबर्स के पेयर. ओके, करें सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट वन इज 2 and 3. both are prime numbers and both are less than 20 and their sum is divisible by 5. Another, sorry बेटा, यहाँ पे divisible by 10 नहीं, आपके क्वेश्चन में divisible by 5 है, इसीलिए ये 2 and 3 का पेयर हो सकता है. ठीक है, उसके बाद again we can take 2 and 13 which is 15 which is again divisible by 5. We can take 11 and 4 तो नहीं हो सकता. That is 17 and 19 नहीं हो सकता. Just think about 13, 14, 16, 17. We can take 13 and 17. 13 and 17. Again we can take reverse also. मतलब 13 and 2 ले सकते हैं हम, 3 and 2 ले सकते हैं, है ना, और 4 का पेयर ले सकते हैं, 11 and 19 भी हो सकता है. There are so many pairs. You can check from your view which are divisible by 1. All these are divisible by 5. Okay. Now next question, fill in the blanks. A number which have only 2 factors is called a number which have only 2 factors is called a prime number. It's called a prime number. हमने पढ़ा ना, वो नंबर जिसके 2 फैक्टर होते हैं वो प्राइम होते हैं, जिसके 2 से ज्यादा होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, कंपोजिट. ठीक है, a number which have more than 2 factor is called a composite. One is neither prime nor composite. ये मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही सारा एक्सप्लेन किया था, तो आई थिंक ये आप वैसे खुद भी कर सकते हो. The smallest prime number is 2. Smallest composite number is 4 and smallest even number is again. क्योंकि यहाँ पे 4 क्यों आया? 1 is a unique number, neither prime nor composite. 2 prime number, 3 again prime number, and 4 is the smallest composite number. And this completes your exercise 3.2. Okay beta, I think you understand it well and you can do practice of it. Okay, and subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, bye. Thank you.